What's up, guys? Mr. J here, and today we're going to cover one of my favorite things to draw. We're going to work on drawing realistic eyes. So if you'd like to be able to draw some eyes like this, stay tuned, grab your paper, grab your pencil, and follow along. Okay, we're going to start with a little bit of a curved line. Not too much of a curve, not a whole rainbow. Just a little bit there. And then we're going to make a little loop here. And then the bottom of the eye is going to go a little deeper. And then pull up in there like that. And that's going to be our basic eye shape. And then we've got to make the iris. Now you should never see the top part of the circle. That's the circle in the middle of your eye. You should never see the top part. So we're going to start here. And bring it around. Because if you can see that whole top part, that means they're surprised. So unless somebody's surprised or afraid, you should not see the top part of the circle. Now in the middle, I'm going to make a little C shape like that. Because we have to leave some room for the light to have a sparkle in the eye. So I'm going to make a little C there. And then make the rest of the pupil here. Like a little crescent moon shape. Alright. Now, I'm going to have this glare in the eye go off into the other part. So I'm just going to mark that off with some lines, okay? So we don't forget that we need to leave some space. Now here's the part that's going to make your eyes look really good. We're going to take a nice sharp pencil. And we're going to start making some lines. They go from the middle circle to the outside of your circle. Now if your pencil's really sharp, you can get some nice fine details. And I'm going to do a couple from the outside in too. Alright, not bad. And don't forget, we're going to leave that little bit of white space there. Now the outside, I'm going to color and make it a little darker, this line on the outside a little thicker. And I'm going to color a little bit around the pupil too, because that's going to slowly go from dark to light. So we're not pressing too hard. And then, if you want, you can even smudge that a little bit. And now we've got a nice little eye shape. Now the next part is fun. It's eyelashes. Now same, you want your pencil to be nice and sharp. And we just flick those eyelashes like that, little curved lines. Now some are going to be shorter than the others, so I can go in here and do a couple extra. Eyelash, eyelash. Now the long lashes can go about to the middle of the eye there. And then we'll do just a little bit of light shaping for the eyelid, the top of the eyelid. Now it's not completely one similar curve, it kind of flattens out. And then same thing on the bottom, we're going to do a little bit of light shaping for the eye. Just a couple lines to start the idea of the eyelid. And then we've got a circle here for your tear ducts. And boom! That's a good start for an eye. Now like and subscribe for part 2, where we'll talk about making eyes the same on both sides. And then we'll get into some tutorials for each parts of the face. Thanks for watching. Let me know if this helps down in the comments, and I'll see you next time.